Wolf's App Review 2025 Pros and Cons, honest and unbiased. You won't believe how pet care apps have evolved in 2025. Woofs promises to simplify everything from scheduling vet visits to tracking your dog's health, but is it really worth using? The surprising truth is convenience. Most people get this wrong by thinking pet care apps are just for reminders. Woofs goes beyond that by offering appointment scheduling, vaccination tracking, medication reminders, and even nutrition guidance. It's like having a personal assistant for your furry friend. One major advantage is its user-friendly interface. You won't believe what happens next when you see features like digital health records, breed-specific advice, and activity tracking. You can log walks, meals, and behavior patterns, helping identify any health issues early. Woofs also integrates with local pet services like groomers, trainers, and emergency clinics, so you can book appointments directly in the app. Push notifications ensure you never miss an important checkup or vaccination. However, there are cons. Premium features require a subscription, and some advanced integrations like telemedicine are only available in select regions. Occasional syncing issues may occur with wearables or other devices. In conclusion, Woofs in 2025 is ideal for pet owners who want a comprehensive, tech-driven way to manage their dog's health and lifestyle. While subscriptions and regional limitations are considerations, the convenience, health tracking, and service integrations make it a valuable tool for keeping your furry friend happy and healthy.